So really quick, guys, I came across this wig because all I wanted was just a bone straight wig in a beautiful brown shade. And some of the prices with some of these wig stores, it was just too much. So I went to TikTok Shop and found the Bling hair store and found this unit. I think I paid about 50-ish for about 56 for this. And there are pros and cons because in the world of wigs, you do get what you pay for. But let me just say this. There are no inside combs in this unit, but it fits so securely. And right here, you have a band. Hold on. That band is going all around the head, and I know it's back here. This thing fits so secure. It's not even funny. Now right here, I mean, you're not going to get any scalp with this. Just get that out of your mind. You're not going to get it. But one thing I will say, it fits very nicely in the ear area. And with a straight style like this, you really don't have to worry about too much slippage and showage. If that's not a word. You don't have to worry about too much. Really simple style. Now, I do wish there was a little more density on this guy. Again, you're getting what you pay for. I really wish there was more density, a little more fullness, but I have to say, for an everyday look, for a casual look, I mean, this could just fit anytime. This was really worth the price to me. The color, oh, I adore the color. Rich, warm brown. Beautiful, rich chestnut color. It came without any odor, so that was definitely a plus. But it came out of the box so shiny and pretty. I added a little bit of my shine product here and just made it even, to give it even more of a glassy look. There's just not enough hair here, you know, to even think about cutting it into layers. And I probably could. You probably could cut it into layers, but I think it's okay just the way it is. Now the part, I would probably pluck the part a little bit. But I think overall for the price, it's really a nice unit. So I would suggest, if you're not a TikTok Shop fanatic like I am, go ahead and go to TikTok Shop and look up the Bling hair store. Guys, thanks so much for joining me for this quick review. And give me a line, drop me a line, guys. Let me know if you have wigs from this store, if you have something from them. Love to hear what your experiences are. Everyone, please take care. Stay blessed. See you next time.